Introducing the movie you have all been waiting for. Epic Fail, the movie. Starring Peyton and the cameraman, me.
And now, this is how you do the best push-ups in the world. Oh! Okay, just give me another try. I give up.
Of course you do. You can't even do a sit-up, I bet.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Okay, I bet I can do a crunch. Oh, okay, you win. Whatever. But I can't do this. Oh! Ow.
One heck of an epic fail.
Okay, what am I
Well, okay, what epic fail are you doing this time?
I think I'll try doing... Help me, cameraman. What should I do?
Shut up. That's what you should do.
I don't think that's possible.
You're doing it right now. You're shutting up. Ha 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 ha. Hey.
I don't...
Told you.
What?
I told you.
I don't know. What? Tell me. Tell me something, would you? Please. I don't know. I can't shut up. Please, make me shut up. I can't shut up. Tell me. Tell me why I can't shut up.
Just close your mouth and don't do anything.
I can't do it. Now what?
Okay. What else? Epic fail of not knowing how to shut up. Introducing the moment you've all been waiting for. Well, probably not, but lame jokes.
Okay. So, here's my first amazing joke. Not lame. Okay.
It is lame. It's gonna be lame. Very
Why'd
lame.
the monkey fall out of the tree?
To get a banana?
Because he's dead. Wasn't that just awesome?
Lame.
Nothing? Really? Okay. For my second lame joke, how do you make a plumber cry?
How?
You kill his family. Okay, no, still nothing?
Nope, nothing, and I'm quitting because you're boring the audience. Ah! Try to do the limbo.
Okay. Ow! Okay. Let's try that again. Ow. There are stickers in the grass. Ow.
Again, it's another epic fail.
Let's try this again.
Ah!
Oh. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Ow. I'm too old for this. Oh. Ow.
You are too old for this. Wait, okay, show us the stickers.
Okay.
Whoa. I guess you couldn't see it on camera, but okay.
Oh, God. Is it on something?
No, it's not.
Why, Timmy? Why? Why does it have to be open? Why? Why?
Okay, bye.